It's a pumpkin! Atmospheric river, they call it.
It is really coming down out there. I should probably make tea. The pepita, or like what you normally buy at the grocery store, is on the inside.
It's a pumpkin! It's almost as big as my head.
It is, actually. It's a little smaller.
So almost exactly the same size as Jillian's head. This is like very fall vibes.
Yes. Yes, so if you can't tell, today is Halloween. Or no, tomorrow's Halloween. Today is the day before. And we're going to cover a pumpkin. This is our first video back on the docks, which is very exciting.
It is.
And yeah, we're spending a rainy, cold, wet, damp day.
It's pouring rain today.
Yeah.
Atmospheric river, they call it.
Yes.
You don't even have like a tea or a coffee going.
Yeah, should I make tea? I should probably make tea.
Yeah.
Okay. Someone sent us this kettle in the mail and we could not find a name on it, but if it was you, thank you so much. We've been loving it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah,
I like that it whistles.
Yeah, oh yeah, and it's so perfect, and yeah, it definitely is a lot easier than the pot that we've been using, so if that was you, thank you. It was very, very sweet. Anyway, shall we get to carving some pumpkins?
Mm-hmm. This is the pumpkin here.
Yeah, we gotta figure out what we actually want to carve.
Yeah. Some of our neighbors are way ahead of us. They've done like little ships and stuff, but I don't think we're gonna...
We might not be that
advanced. It's actually going better than I thought. It's important. I don't want to cut the face up too badly, but
I know, you gotta give him a good forehead. Woo!
Blech. Oh.
We'll put the seeds in here.
Oh, I don't know about this. I'm remembering the smell of pumpkin.
It smells so good.
If you guys can't tell, I'm not the hugest fan of pumpkin guts. Or the smell.
I love it.
You love the smell of pumpkin?
I do. It brings back such good memories.
That's fair. That's a nice little top.
Perfect.
Can I try putting it on?
Perfect.
Perfect. No.
Just okay.
I like this though.
Yeah, it's good cool. Pretty good.
Yep, looks good to me.
There we go. Final design.
The anchor.
The anchor. Okay, let's see. Final product. What do we think? Cute. Very nautical themed.
It's our anchor.
And
It's gonna keep us anchored throughout October. Or November.
November. And next, we're gonna roast the seeds because can't waste the seeds. Have you ever roasted seeds before?
No, never.
Yeah. I love roasted pumpkin seeds. Ooh, those look great. It is really coming down out there. Pumpkin seeds all washed?
Yeah.
Thanks for going out there.
And then I figured you could like pat them dry.
Oh yeah, this is perfect.
Ooh, those are good.
Yeah, there's a surprising amount of seeds in that pumpkin actually.
And then are you gonna do them in the cast iron? Or do they go in the oven or?
Yeah, just at 350 and then we'll put them in the oven for like 10-15 minutes. And then shake them every like 5 minutes and then
Only 10 or 15 minutes?
Yeah, apparently they cook quite quickly. And then they'll be good to go.
Wow.
And then, but first we're gonna toss them in oil and then some seasonings. So we're just gonna do salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and then garlic powder.
What do you think, Bear?
They turned out super well.
What did you say they tasted like?
I think they taste like popcorn because they're kind of like they're chewy, right? But also crunchy.
Yeah, and I was surprised they have like little pockets of air.
Yeah.
Like they, you know?
Well, because the idea is like you have the outer shell, which is totally edible, obviously, and then the pepita, or like what you normally buy at the grocery store, is on the inside. And so it's kind of like, it's like a sandwich. Like if you were to peel this open, there would be the little
a sunflower seed in there. Wait.
Pumpkin seed.
A pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Right.
We have just kind of taken the afternoon to hang out and get some stuff done and take a rainy day inside the boat. And now I think we're going to make some pho for dinner. Some like knockoff pho.
Our classic wintertime food.
Classic wintertime food, yeah. I was also just reading that we might get snow here, which is crazy.
Yeah, it's a bit early for that.
Yeah, so fingers crossed it's just rain.
And it sure is raining right now.
Yeah.
It's been pouring rain for hours.
Which is great because we need the rain, but also I don't know if we need it all at once. So too much is what's the word?
Too much of a good thing or something?
Too much of a good thing. Too much of a good thing.
I want too much of a good thing. You want to tell YouTube what show we've been watching?
Oh, which one? We got
Island of the Seawolves.
We just started watching Island of the Seawolves, which is filmed in BC, and it's on Netflix, and it's incredible. 100% recommend. Yeah, it's all about the wildlife around here, and just sort of like the different patterns and how they relate to the seasons. And I mean, we just watched the first episode this morning, but
it's amazing.
It's amazing. I feel like a garlicky.
Garlic and ginger. Oh, that's gonna be so good.
Yeah. This is literally the best meal for a rainy day.
I like it. I think it turned
Me
out.
too. I think it's perfect. I'm excited. We'll have to see how it is with the light. Closer.
Another minute.
Oh, cute.
Well, we're back on the dock.
We're back on the docks. It feels so
good.
good.
Feels so good.
Yeah, especially with this rain and yeah, I feel like
It's been pouring rain for like 12 hours.
Yeah, it's been wild.
We got water coming in everywhere.
We do, but actually,
Drip, drip. The bilge pump is going.
the bilge pump did go.
No, it's okay. We're not leaking too bad.
Yeah. All in all, like this is probably the most rain this isn't normal for the amount of rain, and very minimal leaks, which is nice. We do have the tarp up, obviously, but yeah, it's been really nice to get back into a bit of a groove here on the docks, and yeah, just settle into things and have a bit more of a quieter and slower, hopefully, fall. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for watching.
And we'll see you next time.